So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and use YouTube Music. Now it's a very basic application. It comes pre-installed with basically every single Android phone, but you can download it and use it on pretty much any platform out there. Now I'll show you how to quickly use it. It's not anything super complicated. Now within the YouTube Music application, it looks very similar to the YouTube app, which I love. YouTube is a very good application, and I'm sure YouTube Music is more or less the same. Now at the very top, you'll see the YouTube Music logo. You'll see a casting button, which will allow you to cast it to other platforms. You can go and click on the search button up here if you want to search for a specific song. And then you'll see your own user profile here, very similar to YouTube. And you can go and get get Music Premium at the very bottom. And you can see a bunch of information here as well. Now clicking X, this is the good stuff. This is where pretty much all of your music stuff is going to come up. So if there's ever any news going on within music, as you can see for this specific person, they passed away, so then they're showing pretty much a little broadcast of what's going on. It's usually like advertisements of new albums and songs. So you can see certain songs and stuff coming up here. If you scroll down, you'll see that you can go ahead and see all sorts of different songs that come up. So there are lots of different ways to go and listen to these songs. Mostly, you have to listen to ads if you don't listen to songs, like if you don't have YouTube Music Premium. But here you can also just scroll through and see all sorts of other songs that come up, new releases that come up at the bottom, so many other things. So what I would recommend doing is just scrolling through the very front page and seeing all sorts of different songs that come up. Now at the bottom, you have a few different tabs. Now you have the home tab right here. If you want, you can click on the explore tab, and this is going to show you different songs and different things that are currently going on. So if you want to click new releases, this is going to be new songs that have just recently released. If you go and swipe back out, you can see charts. And these are basically the most popular songs going on right now and the top artist. So you can see these are the top artists. These are the best genre or the top genres, trending songs here down here too. Now if you swipe back out once more, you can see models, moods, and genres. So there's lots of different moods, lots of different genres you can listen to as well. So you can go and scroll through and see which songs you actually prefer and like. There's also podcasts within YouTube Music. So any of the podcasts that you like listening to or any of them that you want to hear, you can basically scroll around and you should be able to see all sorts of different podcasts and things that come up. So that's another thing you can go and do here too, which is really awesome. Now you can also go ahead and scroll through like I mentioned and go back into YouTube Music, and you can also go ahead and click on Library. Now Library has a bunch of other information here too. So what you can do here is you can go ahead and scroll through, and if you have any songs that you like, any playlists or albums or artists or whatever the case is, you'll basically be able to hear and see all basically the songs that you've liked here as well. And under this specific panel, which is upgrade, it will allow you to go ahead and essentially upgrade to YouTube Music Premium if you want to. Now, if we go back home, if we go and tap here, if you click on the search bar, you can basically search for any song, any artist that you want. So if I go and type in Drake, for example, right? If I go and write Drake, super basic, just go and click Drake right here. What I can do is I can go and search for different songs by Drake. So any of the ones that he's made, any of the ones that are popular, they will basically show up right here. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. You can just scroll through, find all sorts of other songs that this person has made. And this is just one example. There are tons of different songs that have come up. And if you like a song, you can go and play it. And from here, I'm gonna go and put the music down. And from here, you can go ahead and listen to whatever song that they've made, for example. Now this panel is pretty basic. You can go and click the play button and you can play a song, you can play it. You can rewind the song, forward the song. Now the ads, there's not much you can do. You have to wait for it. You can, I think, have certain amounts of skips or whatever for a certain song. So that's something that's cool. You can also go and click on up next if you want to skip to a different song. You can sync through a song. It doesn't look like you can on regular YouTube Music, which is cool. You can also rewind a song if you want to. If you want to swipe up, you can see the lyrics of the song by clicking on lyrics, and you'll see all the song lyrics. You'll see related songs by clicking here, and you can also see up next. So this is a little playlist of all the other songs that are going to be coming up. So that is that. Again, if you go and go out of it, if you go into your lock screen, you'll see the song usually if it's still playing. But that's basically how it's done. That's basically a quick introduction of how to use YouTube Music. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.